Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to do an exercise to demonstrate the difference between distinct and values in Power BI. In this exercise, what I am going to do, I will check if product exists in the data model or not. I will use counting function distinct and value to create a view that shows the blank values. I will create a visual to show the missing product ID where the blank product ID is selected. Or we can also do here the instead of product ID, we can take the product group as well and add the missing product in the product lookup. And if we figure it out, any product uh, is not present in the product lookup table, then we will add that value in the product lookup table. This is the data model which I am going to use in this exercise. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. What I am going to do in this exercise, I am going to create two measures. The name of the measures is AP Retail Product Group Distinct, and another name of the measure is AP Retail Product Group Values. In the first measure, I am going to count the rows with the help of a distinct value. And what is the column from where we are extracting the distinct value? The column name is AP Retail Product Group, and the name of the table is AP Retail Product Lookup. Second measures will also going to use count row function with the help of values function. What I am going to do, I am going to take all the values, that is the unique values which is present in AP Retail Product Group column of AP Retail Product Lookup table. So let's create these two measures and then we will create the visualization later. Let me go to the RBI. Let's come to the report view. We need to create a measure. So let me choose dedicated measure table. This is the dedicated measure table. Let me create a new measure. Name of the measure is AP Retail Product Group Distinct. How we are going to, what is the logic inside this measure? So we are going to use count row function, and inside the count rows function we are going to use distinct. And what is the column from where we get the unique values? The name of the column is product lookup product group. So this measure has been created successfully. So we are counting the rows, okay, with the help of a distinct. And what is the distinct? From where we are extracting the distinct value? We are extracting the distinct value with the help from AP Retail Product Group column. Let me create another measure. Name of the measure is AP Retail Product Group Values. Here also we are going to use count row function, and inside the count row function we are going to use values, and from where it will going to extract the unique record. It will going to extract the unique record from AP product lookup table product. These two measures has been created successfully. Let me go to the PPT. Now, here what I am just doing, I am creating a matrix. Here what I am just doing, I am just whatever the product group in one column, the product group, so it has a blank value. If we are also going to use this AP retail product group distinct measure which we have created, this it it is counting this 111, but this blank value it is not counting, because distinct value it will not consider blank. But the measure which we have created with the help of a values function, it's also counting the blank value, and it also counting whatever the values which are present in number of count which are present in the AP retail product group. So for the distinct, the total value is 5, but for the values, total values is total count is 6, because values function is also considering blank. So let me create this visualization in the Power BI. Let me create a matrix. In the matrix, let me put product group in the row, and the measures which we have created. This is the measures which we have created, group distinct, and values. Okay, let me create a matrix. In this matrix, let me put the product group AP product lookup table. So this is the product lookup table, and this is the AP product. Now let me put the measures which we have created, and the name of the measure is AP retail product group product group distinct. This is the distinct, and another measures which we have created, that is value. Let me make it bigger. Here we can see that the product lookup table has one blank value for AP product group. But if we are using distinct to create a measure to calculate the count for distinct for a blank value, it is not considering. But the measures which we have created with the help of a values function to calculate the rows, it is calculating the blank value. So this is the one of the significant difference between distinct and value. Whenever we are using a distinct, it will going to get all the distinct value from a particular column. Whenever we are using the values function, it will also extract all the distinct value from a particular column with a blank value. So in this video, we have seen what is the difference between distinct and values in Power BI. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.